अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल जुबैदी सुमगल। आज मैं इंडियन एयरफोर्स की वीडियो लेकर आया हूँ। इंडियन जो राइफल जहाज़ है, राफेल है आई थिंक, और राफेल विज ग्रेपन विच फाइटर जेट रूल्स द स्काईज। ये वीडियो का टाइटल है। वीडियो आपको मेरे डिस्क्रिप्शन में इसका लिंक मिल जाएगा। और ये वीडियो जो है मिलिट्री टीवी वालों की वीडियो है। बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त किस्म का कंटेंट अपलोड करते हैं। आप मिलिट्री टीवी पे जाके विज़िट करें और मिलिट्री टीवी को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। और वीडियो को लाइक जो है ना, वो आप 100 लाइक तो कम से कम करवा दीजिएगा गाइस। तो चलें वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं और देखते हैं। एक किस्म का ये कंपैरिजन है, तो देखते हैं क्या न्यूज़ है, उसके बाद फिर मिलते हैं। वाओ।
Imagine a sphere where gravity surrenders to raw power, where the laws of physics bend to the boundless creativity of human ingenuity. Within this dynamic setting, two airborne predators, the dassault Rafale and the saab Gripen, emerge as prominent figures. Their streamlined profiles cut through the sky, engines producing a robust hum that disrupts the peaceful ambience. As they move through the clouds, casting momentary shadows on the ground below, they represent a blend of refined design and functional precision. However, beyond their shared quest for supremacy, distinct disparities shape their journeys to triumph. Which jet would truly claim the crown? Stay tuned as we delve into the intricacies of their aerial interactions, exploring their origins, performance attributes, technological advancements, strategic implications, and their roles in shaping the future of aerial warfare. The Dassault Rafale traces its roots back to the 1980s when Dassault Aviation embarked on designing a versatile multi-role fighter. The Rafale was conceived to replace an array of aging aircraft within the French military, emphasizing adaptability across various mission profiles, including air superiority, ground attack, and reconnaissance.
Great.
In contrast, the Saab Gripen, born from Swedish ingenuity in the late 1980s, was conceptualized as a lightweight, agile, and cost-effective fighter. It aimed to meet the needs of the Swedish Air Force and attract international customers seeking a versatile, affordable solution. These divergent origins set the stage for a fascinating comparison of design philosophies and strategic priorities.
ये नीचे भी इसके वो बॉम्ब है क्या है? ऐसा ही कुछ लग रहा है मुझे तो। गाइस आप कमेंट सेक्शन में मुझे जरूर
The Dassault Rafale is renowned for its impressive speed and range capabilities, boasting a top speed of Mach 1.8 and a combat radius of approximately 1,000 kilometers. This allows the Rafale to be suited for a spectrum of operational scenarios, from rapid response missions to extended range sorties. The Saab Gripen, while not matching the Rafale's top speed, maintains a commendable maximum speed of around Mach 2 and a combat radius of approximately 800 kilometers. The Gripen's agility and adaptability make it a versatile platform, particularly suitable for air forces with diverse operational requirements. The Rafale's larger size affords it a significant advantage in terms of payload capacity. With the capability to carry a diverse array of air-to-air and air-to-ground munitions, including precision-guided bombs and cruise missiles, the Rafale excels in its ability to handle a wide spectrum of missions. The Gripen, on the other hand, being a smaller aircraft, has a more limited payload capacity but compensates with nimbleness and flexibility. Notably, the Gripen's ability to operate from shorter runways enhances its operational flexibility, making it suitable for a broader range of airfields.
Great.
Both the Rafale and Gripen showcase cutting-edge radar technology, enhancing their capabilities in the ever-evolving and complex battle space. The Rafale's RBE-2 ASA radar is a technological marvel, offering superior target detection and tracking capabilities. Its electronic scanning technology enables rapid and precise target identification, providing the Rafale with a significant edge in situational awareness. Similarly, the Gripen, equipped with the PS-05A radar, also an ASA radar, delivers excellent performance, particularly noteworthy given the Gripen's relatively smaller size. These state-of-the-art radar systems contribute significantly to both aircraft's effectiveness in dynamic combat environments.
Great.
Survivability in modern air warfare hinges on robust electronic warfare capabilities, a strength shared by both the Rafale and Gripen. The Rafale integrates a comprehensive electronic warfare suite, encompassing radar warning receivers, electronic support measures, and countermeasures dispensing systems. This formidable electronic warfare suite enhances the Rafale's capacity to operate in contested environments, effectively countering threats. Similarly, the Gripen features advanced electronic warfare systems that provide a high level of protection against various threats. The effectiveness of these systems is pivotal in securing a tactical advantage and ensuring the aircraft's survivability amid constantly evolving threats.
क्या कमाल का सीन है यार ये वाला.
The economic considerations associated with the acquisition and operation of fighter jets are crucial factors for any nation. The Gripen has earned a reputation for being a cost-effective solution, attributed to its smaller size, modular design, and ease of maintenance. These characteristics contribute to lower operating costs, making the Gripen an attractive option for air forces with budget constraints. In contrast, the Rafale, while a more expensive option up front, offers a broader range of capabilities and a larger payload capacity. The trade-off between upfront costs and long-term operational expenses becomes a critical element in the decision-making process for defense procurement. The assessment of a fighter jet's overall financial impact extends beyond acquisition and operating expenses to encompass maintenance, upgrades, and eventual retirement or replacement, known as life cycle costs. The Gripen's affordability may position it favorably in terms of life cycle costs, with its modular design and ease of maintenance contributing to cost effectiveness. On the other hand, the Rafale's extensive capabilities and potential for technological upgrades may justify its higher upfront investment over the entire operational life of the aircraft.
गाइस वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर ज़रूर कीजिएगा, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। तो इंशाल्लाह उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको वीडियो बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त और पसंद आई होगी। तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक अपना और अपनी फैमिली का ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़। मेरे पास ज़रा लाइट चली गई है और वैसे भी वीडियो कंप्लीट हो गई है, तो फिर माज़रत के साथ थोड़ा सा आपको वो डिस्टर्ब व्यू जो है, वो सीन जो है वो सही नज़र नहीं आ रहा होगा, मतलब कि मेरी शक्ल। ओके जी, अल्लाह हाफिज़।